Hello my friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out these rechargeable puck lights. They come with a remote control. There's 4 of these little guys in here. And some chargers. Okay, so here we go. What's up here? We have a little recharger. Looks like USB to, I think those are micro USB charging ports there. Charging cord, and here's a secondary one. All right, let's take these little guys out of here. All right, that looks pretty cool. So right on the surface here, they're decent sized, about 3 inches across perhaps, and have a little button here on the side. Looks like we got magnets here in the back. There's one. And there's 2, not too heavy. Let's get out all these little guys here. There's another one. And there's number 4. All right, some of these have a charge already when they're shipped, so I was just seeing if I could demonstrate this without having to wait till they get charged up here. That might not be an option right now. We have a remote as well here. And perhaps, let's just pull this little guy out of here. Okay. Yeah, looks like I'm going to have to charge them first, unfortunately. I was hoping like one of them would have a charge in there. Short press the touch button to switch between cold light and warm light, turn on. Okay, so we got instructions. You can adjust the lighting brightness, turn on the, so these has adjustable lighting. All that stuff. Preparation. Please make sure all the parts are presented. And then we want to charge it up first. Okay, guys. Well, let's go ahead and charge them up then. I have nice. It came with like 2 wires there, so that'll cut my charging time in half. I have a bunch of little USB slots that I can use, so I'm gonna go ahead and double these up, and we'll be back when this is all charged up. Hey friends, so here's a couple ideas for these puck lights. I put these under my shelf here. There's a really nice accent light there. I have metal. These are metal, so you can just stick them right on there. And I think it looks really nice. Change the colors if you want, different ones. So it just looks really, I think it adds a really nice look to that. If you get from kind of far away, it looks pretty sweet, I think. And then you can turn one off individually. These are kind of line of sight, so it'll turn them off and on. There we go. And another one I did was this little one over here. So you just put it in this little candle holder, and just kind of puts off a nice little light there. It looks kind of cool and gives some lighting onto the picture frame there as well. So you can do different things with this. One thing I also did, I just took a regular paper clip and then just bent it into a hook. Some people have lamps and stuff, and maybe they're in the middle of where they can't plug it in, and then you can just add like a hook there and put the light in there, and you can have 3 lights in there if you want, and just turn those on too. But just all kinds of ideas. If you have a table like this, put it up underneath there with either glue a magnet on there or a piece of metal that'll stick on there, or even some 3M tape, and they'll put nice accent lights on there. I just really like how that just adds that lighting to that. Also, if you have a cabinet or something like this, you can do the same thing. Just stick the lights up under there and then turn them on. And so I thought I would share this, guys. Just a lot of different ideas and different ways that you can use these. Plus they're rechargeable, so just real easy to pull them off of there and throw them back on there. And then I just put my remotes up here with my other ones. When I'm all done, just boom, 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 turn them off, and we're good to go. Hey friends, all right, we got them all charged up here. So when they're charging, a little red light comes on there. See, these are just a one touch, and it changes the light. I don't know if you can see that. It was changing the, what they call it, the light temperature. So you got the yellow light, and you have the white light of the LED, and then this is a mixture of the both. So one tap turns a white, yellow, off, and then the first one's a mixed. So it's different features there. All right, so they also have these nice little magnets here on the back, and just stick them right there. I have them on my thing, and we have our little remote control. Turn these on, boom, all four of them come on right there, and we can change it with this if we want it different colors. Change those, different colors, and we can make it dimmer and brighter. And I don't know if you guys can see it that good, so I'm going to go ahead and hit my light here. And here we are. All right, turning the light off. Okay, lights on. And then we're going to dim these down. Dun, 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 dun. You can see it kind of gets quite a bit dimmer. And then you can change the colors. There's the white, just white ones. That is the yellow. And that is both of them there. All right, let's see here. This is as bright as it gets, so they put out quite a bit of light. There's some pretty strong magnets here too. They're not going to fall off of there. You can easily hang these upside down. Turn that off. The little remote's pretty cool here. It's very small. It also has a little timer on here, so you can go 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and 60 minutes to turn them on or off. And it has the off, on, plus, minus, and colors there too. So it's very small, easy to put away. And what I like is these buttons on the side. They're just like a sensor. It's not, you don't have to like push it. You just you just touch your finger to it, and it comes on. You're not pushing down a button or anything. So it's a good sensor. A nice it senses it well automatically. So there we go. So you just barely touch it. So these ones are quite a bit like, I have some other Pucklights before, but they were like, got them from Costco, and you kind of like, they had AAA batteries. They're like when they first came out, you kind of pushed on the top to have them turn on, and they were kind of a little bulky and junk. But these are nice, kind of sleek ones, and you can do different things to hang these. So if you have a coat hanger, you can put it in a tent or something, or just a string, run that through there, so it's easier. All sorts of different applications for these. So definitely put out a little bit of light. Pretty happy with these guys. As you can see, they're pretty cool. So yeah, well, thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you all next time.